What's going on, world? It's your girl Napalm checking in. You already know what time it is. I'm back to drop some more game on y'all. So for those of y'all who don't know, I am a producer, engineer, musician, and DJ with over 10 years of music industry experience. Today, we're exploring a fundamental tool in music production and audio engineering, equalization, commonly known as EQ. So let's get into it. So what exactly is EQ? Equalization is the process of adjusting the balance between different frequencies in an audio signal. So if you've ever adjusted treble or bass on your stereo system, that's a very limited version of EQ that allows us to shape the tonal characteristics of a sound. In music production, EQ helps us enhance or fix various elements within a mix. It can be applied to individual tracks such as vocals, drums, guitar, or even to the overall mix. Now let's take a look at how EQ works. So this is a parametric EQ. Imagine this plugin as a virtual sound sculpting tool. It consists of various frequency bands that can be boosted or attenuated, which means cut, to affect specific frequencies. When we boost the frequency band, like so, we increase the volume of that range, making it more prominent in the mix. And when we cut or attenuate a frequency band, we reduce its volume, making it less noticeable. Listen as I cut and boost the frequencies on it.
Let's go, love. I'm saying, ain't you tired of waiting? We could leave this whole place behind, yeah. Let's go, love. I'm saying, ain't you tired of waiting? We could leave this whole place behind, yeah.
But how do we know when to cut or to boost the frequency? Well, that's where our ears and our experience kick in. Each instrument or vocal has a specific range of frequencies that it occupies. For example, bass instruments reside in the lower frequencies down here, while vocals often occupy the mid-range, somewhere around here. Cymbals and high-pitched instruments are found in the higher frequencies up here. By understanding these general frequency ranges, we can make the best EQ decisions. So let me give you a real-world example. Say we have a vocal track that sounds a bit muddy or is lacking some clarity. We could use EQ to cut some of the lower frequencies to reduce the muddiness and boost the high range frequencies to bring out the vocal presence. So let me play this before and after clip.
Let's go, love. I'm saying, ain't you tired of waiting? We could leave this whole place behind, yeah. Let's go, love. I'm saying, ain't you tired of waiting? We could leave this whole place behind, yeah.
Just like that, we've improved the clarity and made the vocal stand out in the mix. EQ can help us solve various audio problems and achieve a more balanced and polished sound. To wrap things up, equalization, or EQ, is a vital tool in music and audio production. It allows us to shape the tonal balance of individual tracks or an entire mix, making it clearer, more balanced, and more pleasant to the ear. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of EQ and its importance in music. Experimenting with EQ is a creative process, so feel free to explore and trust your ears. If you have any questions or want to learn more, leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more music production and audio engineering tips. Until the next video, y'all be easy.